Welcome to Emageco video presentation on product costing in SAP with Material Ledger Active. We are in the process of closing the period which is called the period end closing general plant, before we go ahead here, what I want to do is to give the purpose of period end closing. This process of the plant closing process is done to make sure that all financial postings are made to represent the plant activity for the period. Okay, this process makes sure that all activities in the plant is shown correctly and that no financial posting are missing. Some data like total value stock, total stock, valuation class, price control indicator, and price unit are managed by period. Okay. For those values and good movement to be posted to the correct period, the period must be set whenever a new period starts. And for that, that's when we close the last period and open the new period. Management reporting needs to receive plant information with reference to the variances, work in process, and scrap to allow for the correct reporting of these figures. Okay, the production process that are no longer active need to be flagged as closed so that future posting will not be allowed. This process ends by flowing into the central closing process that finishes the financial reporting of the company. So that's what the period end closing process or activities is intend to do. Now, I will say there are at least 20 steps to take to get to this. And in addition to those 20 steps, because we have Material Ledger Active, I would say we have something like another 7 steps within the Material Ledger actual cost run, which is also called the period end cockpit run. And in that one, we have at least 7 steps to process. So what I want to do quickly is to show within the next 2 to 3 minutes all the steps that we take to do the normal period end activity closing. One will be to close and open, to close the last period and open the new period, and that will be the MMPV in this case. So if I were to do that, we already done it, but I want to go through this to show how the process is done, and that will be for companies, this company to this company. In our case, the period close is 6, the year is 2014. Okay, and we need to have we need to allow negative in the previous period and negative in the previous period if there were to be any. So then we go ahead and we execute, and as you see here, it will say it's already done. Okay, incorrect period because we already closed it. Okay, so this is how this one is done. And then after that, the next step after doing the closing of the last period and opening the next period is to enter the actual activity type price. Okay,